Alright everybody, today we are looking at how to replace the headband on a set of Sennheiser HD800, HD800S, and HD820 headphones. Okay, so before we actually remove the headband, I'm actually going to show you how it connects. Basically what you have is the back of the headband has a plastic frame on it and it has these little cutouts in it all the way down from end to end. And on the actual metal headband of the headphones, it has these plastic pieces sticking out of the metal headband. And on the edge of those plastic pieces are these little tiny clips like that. You can see that little edge right there where my fingernail was, all the way along. And those little tiny edges clip underneath the plastic here, right here on this edge right there. So there's about 7 of them. The one thing you want to pay attention to is the middle. So if you're going to count 7, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means this is the middle. The 4th one is the middle, and that's actually going to go inside of these 2 circular ones. Now that one doesn't hold that well, and that's because obviously it's a circle. So starting with removing the headband, basically it's nice and easy. You're just going to get to one side of the headband, take both of your thumbs, and you're just going to push down. You'll hear the clicking. That's the plastic from the headband separating from the plastic that's on the headphone. And it comes off, no problem. If this video is helping you out, Monty the AHG dog wants you to smash that like button and share it with a friend, because this is how he gets more biscuits. Don't forget that 60% of the time, it's a great idea every time to subscribe and hit those bell notifications and stay in the loop with all of our news, reviews, and how-tos. Alright, so attaching the headband, what you want to do is first find the 4th plastic piece on the headband. 1, 2, 3, 4. That will signify the middle. And now what we want to do is look here on the headband itself. These 2 round little circles, that's going to go into the middle plastic piece. So it's about there. I'm just going to push into it and I'm going to roll it up this way. Now the secret here is when you're trying to snap in these other plastic pieces of the headband into the of the headphone headband into the actual headband plastic. What you want to do is you're going to use your fingers underneath here like this, and you're going to push in and out. So when you come across one of those, whoops, it's hard to show it that way, but you're going to push in and out, and you'll hear the snapping, and that is the little plastic piece on the headband going in place of the plastic pieces on the headphone. So now that it's on, I might be able to show you better, but you want to have your fingers here like this on that foam, and you're going to push inwards and outwards, and then just keep doing that all the way up. And eventually what happens is you end up getting your fingers onto those plastic pieces and pushing them down, and then applying pressure and pushing out, and they snap into place. And then you want to check it, so just take your fingers, tap it, and that is on. If it was like that, then you would want to do it again. Yeah, it actually comes off really easy, so you could actually tap it slightly and it just kind of moves, but you can see that's in place now. But if I just do, it comes off. So it's quite easy to get off and quite easy to get on. If you heard any noise in the background in that video, it's because of these little squirts. They're rescue rabbits. And their friends that are over here.